Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Faisal Saleh and you are watching Math with Fasi. In this video, I am going to tell you that how can you calculate cube root of a number in your head. For example, a 10-year-old kid asks you, what is the cube root of 125? What is the cube root of 125? You got confused. You refused to answer, but I assure you, if you watch this video till the end, you will be able to calculate the cube root of any number in your head. First of all, the first thing you have to do is to make a table of first 10 number with their cube roots. Okay, so 1 has a cube 1. The cube of 2 is 8. The cube of 3 is 27. The cube of 4 is 64. The cube of 5 is 125. And that of 6 is 216. Cube of 7 is 343. And cube of 8 is 512. Cube of 9 is 729. And cube of 10 is 1000. Okay, so here is the number cube. Also note the last digit of the cube of each number. The last digit of cube of each number. Here the last digit is 1, the last digit is 8, the last digit is 7, the last digit is 4, the last digit is 5, the last digit is 6, 3, 2, 9 and 0. Okay, you can note that the last digit for the cubes of one, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 0, you can note that for all these numbers the cube have last digit same. You can see that the last digit for 1 is 1, for 4 is 4, for 5 is 5, for 6 is 6, and for 9 is 9, and for 0 is 0. Okay, and for 2 and 8 and 3 and 7 the last digit flips. Okay, you can see that for 2 is the last digit is 8, and for 8 the last digit is 2. Similarly, for 3 the last digit is 7, and for 7 the last digit is 3. It is important to remember these 10 digits, but also remember the last digit. Okay, so for 2 the last digit is 8, and for 3 the last digit is 7, and vice versa. Now let us take a number. What is the cube root of 39,304? Let us do the trick. The first thing you have to do is to note the last digit of the given number and write it down here. Now here the last digit is 4. The next step is to ignore the last 3 digits. Now we ignore 304. The remaining is 39. Okay, now we note the closest cube to 39, to this number. Here is 39, so the closest number, so 39 is between 27 and 64, but we only note the number which is closest to 39 without going over. Only we write, so the closest is 27 without going over, because 64 is over 39, so we write 27. So the cube root of 39,304 is, 27 is the cube of what? Cube of 3. So 4 corresponds to 4. 4 is the last digit of 4, so we write down 4. And 39 is closest to 27, so 27 is the cube of 3, so we write down 3. So the cube root of 39,304 is 34. Okay, so now ask someone to pick a number between 1 to 100. They tell you the cube, and you can instantly tell them the cube roots. So here is a number 636,056. Okay, now do the same thing. First of all, the last digit is 6, and 6 correspond to 6, so we write down here. And the next step, is to ignore the last 3 digits. Now we have 636. Now we note that 636 is between 512 and 729. 512 and 729. So we already said that without going over we write. So 512 is the number, and 512 is the cube of 8. So we write down 8. Okay, so the cube root of 636,056 is 86. Is 86. So look at the last digit, which is 6. Now again ignore the last 3 digits, and now 636 is between 8 and 9, and the closest is 8. Okay, the closest is 8, so we write down 8 here. So answer is 86. The cube root of 636,056 is 86. So if you remember the table and the last digits, you can do it easily. Let us take another example. Let's have another example, that is 185,193. Now, as we know that in the table 7 correspond to what? 3 correspond to what? 3 correspond to the 7. 3 is the last digit of 7. So here for 3 we can write the last digit is 7. Okay, now again ignore the last 3 digits. You are left with 185. Now 185 is close to what? 125, and 185 is between 125 and 216. So without going over, it is 125. So 125 is the cube root of what? 5. So we can write it 5. So the answer is 57. In this way you can calculate the cube root of any number in your head quickly. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of my all such exciting videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.